Okay, Avnish, can you tell me the final answer, bacha?
Oh, Matthias.
And this topic is really very important because it is representing numbers using pictures. Okay, it helps building analytical thinking and also it is a foundation for higher grades. Whatever we are going to learn in the higher grades, this is related with this. Like we are going to learn data handling in higher grades as well. This data handling topic will come in the higher grades. Now we are in fourth standard, we are reading it. This will be coming in use. This will be building the base. It is very important topic. All of you should focus. All right, bacha? Okay, so let us quickly warm up this first of all. Whatever we have studied in the previous class, let's quickly recall it, all of you. Okay, let me take a blank slide first of all. Tell me, bacha, do you all remember data? Do you all remember data, bacha party? Let me know what is data. What is data? You got 40 out of 40. Very good. Keep it up. Students are performing so well. That's too, like, I feel proud of my kids. That's the best thing you are gifting me. The best gift which a student can give to a teacher is their good results. That's the good. Okay, so data is what? It is the set of information. It is the collection of information. Collection of information. It can be in form of what, bacha? What are the forms? Data can be also discussed about more than five. This is how we started the bundle of five. So tell me, what is this representing? This question. Now, I will try that you start liking the classes. Okay. So here, which number has appeared the maximum number of times? We have, okay. So over here, we have Katie asked her friends their favorite food. Ready for pictograph? Yes. Excited for the pictograph? If yes, drop me a 9 in the chat box because 9 is my favorite number. Quickly. Very good, Dhanisha. I like the confidence and I like the excitement. That's good. All right. And I want no students should be writing anything rubbish in the chat box. Only write what is being required. When you're responding, give the responses. No need to write anything extra. Otherwise, I'll be connecting with your parents one by one. If I find anything extra or rubbish in the chat box, I will be connecting with your parents personally. Okay? All right. So before starting pictograph, you all can collect some coins. Let the energy level be high. Okay? Yes? It's so sweet of you, bacha. I taught you decimals, so I'm very happy that I got. Okay, it's so good. Good to hear that. Good, bacha. Okay? All right. So, all right. In a pictograph, what is the meaning? Just listen the word pictograph. Tell me, what do you think this pictograph is derived from? What is the meaning of pictograph? Bacha, tell me which word is it coming from? Pictograph. Pictograph. It is picture. Picto means what? Picto means what? Picture. So here earlier in tally marks, we were representing number with the help of tally marks. Now we are going to represent data with the help of pictures. That is going to be interesting, right? We are going to represent data with the help of pictures, bacha. We are going to represent data with the help of pictures. Okay, so what is pictograph? It is a representation of data using pictures. What is pictograph? Representation of data using pictures. Understood? Written, all of you? Pictograph is the representation of data using pictures. Okay. All right. So over here, I'll be giving you small description and then you'll be understanding how to read a pictograph. Before that, let us solve few questions. Pictures can be used to represent numbers. For example, I won't be writing 10. I am bored of writing the numbers only. What I am going to do, I'll be using some pictures for representing 10. Like, I could have represented one apple for like one apple. I'm not able to draw the apple. That's so sad. Okay, so that is like this. Okay, one apple I'm going to represent for. If I could have represented one apple for one apple, then I would have to draw 10. But what I have done, I have used a smart trick that I have taken one apple for 10 apples. If I am drawing one apple, it is equivalent to 10 apples. I have given this. Tell me, if one apple means 10 apples, tell me what is the value of 3 apples, bacha? You all are so smart. I know you can tell me easily. If one apple is representing 10 apples, what is the value of 3 apples, bacha? It happens with you also, Arav. Okay. I draw really well, but I don't know what happened today. It happens sometimes when someone is watching you do the mistakes. It often happens now. Okay, so if one apple is representing 10, then 3 apples will be representing what? It will be representing 10 plus 10 plus 10, which is nothing but 30. Because 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 10 multiplied by 3. I have got 30 apples. Understood, bacha? Can you all relate? This is the basics of pictograph. I'm telling you, will slowly and slowly level up. One apple is representing 10, so 3 apples will be representing 30. Okay, now tell me, bacha, if one apple is representing 10, what is the value of half apple? Tell me, if one apple is representing 10, what is the value of half apple? Let me know, bacha. If one apple is representing 10, what is the value of half apple? Very good. If one apple is 10, then half will be half of 10. So what is going to be half of 10? It is 5. Understood, bacha? Yes? All right. So tell me, what is going to be one apple and what is the value of one apple and one more apple and, okay, the shape is bad. I don't know, just vertically opposite it happened. So forgive me for that. And a half apple. Two full apples basically, and one half apple. And one half apple. What will be the value, bacha? If I have 2 full apples and one half apple, tell me what will be the value. If one apple is selling 10 apples, so what is the value of 2 full apples and one half apple? 2 full apples and one half apple. Very good. So one full apple is 10. That means 2 full apple will be 20. And half will be 5. So 20 plus 5 will give me 25. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Yes. Okay. I'll be giving more questions if we're understanding it better. All right. Let's try a few quiz questions here. Our first one is the easy peasy one. What do we call the data represented in the form of picture? If one picture represents 20 articles, 4 pictures will represent how many, bacha? One picture, just one picture, any picture it is telling. If let me tell you, if one picture like this one triangle, it is representing 20. So 4 triangles will represent how many? 4 triangles will represent how many, bacha? You need to tell the answer here. All of you try and tell me the answer here. एक पिक्चर का मतलब 20 है, तो 4 पिक्चर्स का मतलब कितना होगा? Question for all of you. See, one man, just be careful and check. One man is, I have drawn it normal, it is representing 12 men. So, 5 will represent how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. If one man is representing 12 men, so 5 men will represent how many? So I'll be giving you all coins for this question. Be careful and get the answer. One man is representing 12. So I have 5 men. What will it represent? Quickly try it out, bacha. Everyone should we learned till now basically what is pictograph. I have told you the basics of pictograph. We'll move forward now. If 1 is representing 10, so tell me what is the value of 5 apples? If 1 apple is representing 10, what is the value of 5 apples? What is the value of 5 apples, bacha? Quickly let me know. So simple. It's 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. So I'll simply multiply 10 with 5. I'll get 50. Okay. All right. So now let us move forward. How can we read a pictograph? A pictograph will be given to us. Now we need to read the pictograph and understand the information. Like when we were looking into the table, we were seeing the table and getting the information, right? For red, how many were there? For blue, for purple, we were getting the information. Similarly, here a pictograph will be given and we need to understand the information from that. So how are we going to read the pictograph? So let us quickly start. It's a very important topic. Okay, right now, just see. There are different parts of a pictograph. Something is like a key, like one sandy hourglass is representing 2 hours. These things will be given. But as of now, I'm not asking you to see this. Just think one is representing one. Okay, let us take one is representing two. One sandy hour is representing 2 hours. So tell me, for online classes, how many hours have the students invested? If one sandy hourglass is representing 2 hours, one sandy hourglass is representing for two, what is the value of 2 hours? Tell me. If one sandy hour is representing 2 hours, tell me the online classes how much time has been spent? It is going to be 2 plus 2, that is 4 hours. Understood? It is 4 hours. It is 4 hours. Clear all of you? It is 4 hours. All right. Similarly, tell me how much time has been spent for gadgets like TV and smartphone. How much time has been spent for gadgets like TV and smartphone? If 1 hour glass is representing 2 hours, what is the time spent for TV and smartphones? Very good. Again, this is two, this is two. So together it is going to be 4 hours here as well. Are you all understanding how to read a pictograph? Now tell me how much time has been spent on self-study. How much time has been spent on self-study? Let me know. If 1 hourglass is representing 2 hours, see it carefully, it is only half. It is only half. So what is the half of 2 hours? What is the half of 2 hours, बच्चा? 2 hours का आधा कितना होता है? 2 hours का आधा कितना होता है? It is 1 hour. Understood? If it was complete, it would have been two. So the half of two is 1 hour. Understood? Understood, bacha? Now for sleep, tell me. How much time has been spent for sleeping? Look into it. We have 1 as 2. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Simply count the number of sandy hour glasses, then multiply it with the key, that is 2. So this is called 10. Okay, what are we doing? Simply count it 1 and 2. Multiply it with the value given. So it is 2. It is 4. Again, 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. This is only half. That means it is 1 hour. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm multiplying 5 with 2. I'll get 10. Here tell me I have 2 full. So what is the value of this? This 2 full is equal to 4 and I have 1 half which is equivalent to 1. So 4 plus 1 will be 5. Understood? Clear all of you? Over here what happened? This is 2, this is 2, it is 4 and this is 1. We are having 5 here. Okay? Understood? So this is basically a pictograph. You'll be having this kinds of questions in your book as well. This is a pictograph. We are given with different things. This is a key. What is one image representing? This is said to be the key. Okay, so I'll be giving you all few questions where there is no key first, and then I'll be giving you questions which is having keys. Okay, understood? All right. So tell me, a pictograph shows the number of hot dogs sold from Monday to Thursday. Study the graph and answer the following question. On Monday, tell me the number. No, over here, one is representing one. If no key is there, one is representing one. So, on which day he has sold the most number of hot dogs? Tell me, on which day he has sold the most number of hot dogs? So, tell me the next one. Find out the total number of hot dogs for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. For overall, count the total number of hot dogs. Let us have this question. Easy peasy. We don't have any key right now. It's the basic one. On which day he has sold the minimum? Minimum यानी कि सबसे कम. On which day he has sold the minimum? So you can see the pictograph and understand very directly. Yes. So it is on Tuesday. So tell me, if one hot dog is representing 5, tell me the number of hot dogs sold on Wednesday. If one hot dog is representing 5, tell me the number of hot dogs on Wednesday. What will it be? What will it be on Wednesday? Very good. This is 5, this is 5, so the total is 10. Understood, bacha? Clear all of you? Is it clear all of you? Okay. All right. So, next, let us try. Can you all solve few quiz questions? It won't be having a key. It is a very simple one. Then I'll be giving you few questions with the key. Okay? Try it out. Quickly try it out, bacha. I know my super champs can easily do it. So, who collected the most bottles? You have been given a pictograph. You need to tell me who collected the most bottles. So, quickly try and tell me. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. I hope this is an easy peasy question. So 35 seconds is going to be enough for this question, right? You just need to choose the correct option just by reading the pictograph. This is how you read a pictograph. You see and understand. 10 more seconds, bacha party, quickly. 3, 2, 1. Time is up. Okay, all right. Okay, so if you see the bottles, where do you find the highest? It is in Mike. Let us try this one. Ria interviews 20 people and asks them which ice cream flavor they like. So she ready to level up, bacha party? Ready to level up? Ready to level up? Yes. Now tell. If one rose is representing 3, so 3 roses will represent how many, bacha? Tell me. What are, I can see few students are writing 6. Be careful. 6 is wrong. Very good. If one rose is representing 3, how many we have? All right. So quickly try it out, bacha party. Over here, each smile means 2 students. Okay? Each smile means 2 students. If there's a blank, means nothing. All right? So tell me on which day no student was absent. These are the number of absentees given. Okay? On Monday, this many were absent. Tuesday, this many, this many, this many. So on which day no student was absent? Read it and tell me. On which day no student was absent? No student was absent. Those smileys are representing the absentees, bacha. So you need to be careful which days no students were absent. I can see students getting confused here. No problem. The next question you all will do great, I promise. I'll explain it. 10 more seconds, everyone. Everyone should try it out here. Last few seconds are left. Try it out, bacha. Okay. So here, see, on Monday we have 3 smileys. Each smiley is representing 2. So 3 means 6 students were absent. Here we have 8 students were absent. Here we have 4. Here we have 8. Here I'll explain it. First of all, listen and then choose. Just be careful. The pictograph shows the number of goals scored by 4 soccer teams. How many goals did kickers score? Okay, these are the kickers here. It is given that one ball is representing 10 goals. One ball is representing 10 goals. So tell me, what is the number of balls for kickers? Tell me what is the given answer. Try it out, bacha, all of you. Everyone should try it out here. Everyone should try it out here, bacha. I can see the performance has improved. Very good. One ball is representing 10 goals. So two balls will represent how many? That is what you need to answer. 10 more seconds. Everyone try it out quickly. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up. Okay. Listen. Over here, one ball is representing 10 goals. So on the place of kickers, we are having two balls. So two balls will represent how many, bacha? 10 plus 10 is how much? It is 20, na? Simple. So option number A is the correct one. All right. All right, bacha. Clear? Okay. Okay. So tell this question now. Following pictograph shows the data on the number of students who like a particular sport. It is given that one ball is representing three students. One ball is representing three students. So, how many more students like basketball than volleyball? So, first of all, tell me the answers one by one. How many students like basketball? Tell me for basketball, how many students like basketball? For basketball, how many? Three are there, and one is representing three. So, what is the value for three? If one is representing three, what is the value for three? It is 3 multiplied by 3 is 6. So, sorry, 9. So, for basketball, we are having 9. Now, we need to calculate for volleyball. So, this is volleyball. For volleyball, how many we are having? It is 2. So, 3 plus 3 is 6. Now, tell me the difference. What is the difference? All of you try and get your answers, bacha. I have made it so easy. Everyone try and tell me. Still, I can see students are making the mistakes here. I knew you'll be getting confused. That is why I did this. Okay, I can see some students. Okay, so the pictograph shows different subject books which are kept in the library. Each book is representing 100. How many more science books are there than history books? So first tell me how many science books are there, everyone? How many science books are there, everyone? Tell me. It is 4. So one book is 100. So 4 books means 400. How many history books are there? How many history books are there? 200. So question I told, see some students have the doubt. The given picture shows the number of students who were absent. These are the absent students. Okay, one smiley is representing 2 students were absent. So on Monday, it is 6 students. 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6 students. On Tuesday, we have 8 students were absent. These are the absentees. These are absentees. Okay. Here we have 4 students. Here we have 8. Here we have 10. So these many were absent. Here we don't have anything. So means no one was absent. So on which day no student was absent? On Saturday. Clear? Clear, bacha? Is it clear now? Is it clear? Okay. Clear? Let me know. All right. So do not forget to complete your homework right after the classes, bacha. Do not forget to complete your homework right after the classes, everyone.